Hello everyone, Jai Swaminarayan. Effective Technical Communication. The subject code is 3130004, third SEM. Unit 5 Etiquettes. These are the contents of Unit 5. Introduction, telephone etiquettes, etiquettes for foreign trips, etiquettes for small talks, respective primacy, time management, and learning to say no. So, in the previous lecture, we have discussed about etiquettes for small talk, tips of small talks, and respecting privacy. Today, we are going to discuss about time management. This is truly saying time and tide wait for none. A non-human being ought to realize the significance of time to be successful in every facet of his or her life. If people don't understand the value of time, they will fail to create their individuality in life. It's true. Time management means organizing time efficiently to allocate right time to the right task at the right place. Right time, right task, and right place. Good time management enables you to work smarter so that you can complete maximum task again in less time. If you want to become a good smart good worker in your own task, you must have to give a maximum time in your own task. You have to become a good operator also, and through that you can learn many activities through that. Effective time management. So, managing your time well will help you get the most done in a day. Time management. Today we are going to discuss about introduction of time management. Today people have many interests beyond their human pursuits, and time always seems to be in short supply. On the other hand, it is also important to give yourself sufficient time to relax and unwind. This way, you will be able to rejuvenate yourself and deliver a peak performance consistently. Here we are going to learn meaning of time management. Time management means organizing time efficiently to allocate right time to the right task at the right place. Allocation of time efficiently, it allows a person to allot definite time slots to the work as per its significance. Time is always scarce, limited to everyone. So by managing time, a person can make the best use of it to achieve predetermined goals. One should ask himself what is more important and how much time it is required. Then make an understanding which tasks should be completed first and which can be done later. How to manage time effectively? So, these are the points of how we can make time effectively. Setting goals and your objectives. Set the goals we want to achieve. If we work without setting goals, then the situation will be similar like the captain of the ship who loses his direction in the sea. Thus, set the goals which are realistic, feasible, and achievable. Effective planning. It is desirable to plan our work in advance. Prepare a to-do list or a task plan. Make a list of work to be done as per the priorities which is needed to be fulfilled in a day with required time to complete it. So high priority work should be in the top of the list, followed by the rest of the activities that are not required much attention at a time. Once we finish our previous task, then only we should begin a new task. Mark the task which is already completed. Make sure to complete the work within the stipulated time given. Setting deadlines. You must have to set your deadlines, set the target and try hard to achieve the goal in given time limit. All the time, we should not wait for our superiors to ask. We have to learn to take responsibility of given work. The only person who can set the deadlines in a best way is you yourself. Ask yourself how much time needs to be devoted to a particular task and for how many days. Use a planner to mark the important dates against just set deadlines. Delegation of responsibilities. Learn to say no. At the place of work, it is not possible to do everything on your own. Other colleagues are also there to work. A person who should not agree to something which he knows is completed for him. The job and responsibilities must be allotted according to the significance and speciality of employees to complete the work within time limit. Spending the right time on the right activity. Make a habit of complete the right task at the right time. Work done at the wrong time is not of much use. We should not spoil a whole day on any work that can be completed in an hour or two. Also keep some time separate for personal work. After all, we are human beings and not machines. Time management. Time management is a process of effectively managing your time between specific activities. Time is the only factor which moves constantly without stopping with the same speed and forever. Time itself may not be tangible. Tangible it means not real and not imaginary. But still we can see time by relating it to the situation of our lives and how we grow with time. It is a very important measure and a point of reference when we look at life as how far we have come. Time is not absolute. It is a relative term. For example, 5 minutes for parents waiting at airport for their son is too long, but 2 months for their son stayed with them seems to be too short for the same parents. It is a exact example for it. Some people even uses the phrase, it seems that the time has come to the standstill for such a person. It may be the case that what that person is expecting is not happening and the waiting is not getting over. So whether time is too short or long, is not decided by its measure but by the state of the mind of the person. So a famous quote says, time and tide waits for none. We see that if we wait for our own time to do something, then it will go out of our hands and it's not worth. Interestingly, many people do not like their life to be the slave of time. They simply don't like the idea of everything happening at a perfect time. They like to do the things that they wish at their own time. They simply cannot work with their full potential if you bound them in the boundaries of time. So, this is the famous quote, time and tide waits for none. So, looking at nature, it has a perfect schedule. Like at the sun rises every morning and sets at a given time. Seasons appear one after the other. Yeah, seasons also appear one after other as per their time, and the life cycle of all living beings also works in continuation with perfect timing. Then how can we not respect time? Let's examine various life situations like reaching the school or college on time, reaching the office on time, completing your PPT before you have to present it, reaching the bus stop before it leaves, taking the patient to the doctor immediately, taking food on time, and almost everything that we do is attached with time. Be it our personal life or professional, doing things on time is very important. We know that it's important to do everything on time and that time is very precious, but not everyone is able to utilize the time wisely. Though everyone has the same amount of time during a day, there are people who are the busiest of all and at the end of the day couldn't accomplish anything worthwhile. While there are others who do not look very busy and are doing their work calmly, and at the end of the day, they have definitely accomplished something worthwhile as completed to yesterday. Time management. Let's examine various life situations. Let's say various life situations like good time management enables you to work smarter so that you can complete maximum tasks or activities in less time. Various life situations plan your day every day. Remember, all things are created twice. You plan first in your own mind and then implement. Do activities way ahead of time. Know your priorities. Concentrate on tasks at hand and do not get distracted by unimportant things. Avoid other people's priorities by saying no. Have a clear vision of your goal. This will motivate you to stick to your schedule also. And how to utilize your time wisely? It is more important that you must have to use your time in a good way. We must have to utilize our time, whatever task we are going to do. We must be aware of what is my goal, what time how many time I have to spend on that task, and what is the result that I will receive after completion of my task. So whatever task you are going to do, you must have to take you must have to do you must have to create one goal, do maximum time on that plan, and next then after it tells time and time it's no for it becomes true. So whatever does which have given to you, make it perfect. Time management. Benefits of time management. Benefits of time management, here we are going to reduce the stress. Yeah, अगर benefits time management हो, it reduce the stress, more productivity and efficiency, a good professional reputation, more opportunities to achieve vital life goals. It makes an individual punctual and disciplined. Time management techniques. We now discuss techniques to manage time effectively, like specific यानी स्मार्ट. अगर स्मार्ट की बात करें तो स्मार्ट यानी एस फॉर स्पेसिफिक, एम फॉर मिजरेबल, अटेनेबल, आर फॉर रिलेवेंट एंड टी फॉर टाइमली. For effective time management, one needs to be organized. Stay away from putting piles of file and loads of paper at workplace. Throw the things which are of no use. Keep important documents in folders. Arrange the files with labels on the top of each file in respective drawers. It saves your time, which passes on needless searching. Don't misuse your time. Don't misuse. Do not waste time in loitering or chatting with others. Focus in work and complete assignments on time. Keep in mind that an organization is not giving remuneration to play games on computer or to make fun with colleagues. Finish the task on priority basis. It is desirable not to wait till end moment. Be focused. For effective time management is must to be focused. Concentrate on work is a real challenge for our screen bound generation. Being focused on one thing for a certain period allows you to do a better quality of work. More work gets done quicker and your creative ideas flow easier. So being focused means you have clear goals and objectives and you are dedicated to achieving those goals and objectives. Thank you very much, dear all.